Welcome to Morphic Labs, and today we are going to be discussing advanced correlation for markets. More specifically, we're going to be talking about Chapter 9, Early Warning Signals. But before we get into that, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up with more content like this. I would greatly appreciate your support. And if you're interested in increasing your market intelligence, which if you're into trading or markets in any capacity, you should be interested in increasing your market intelligence. If that sounds like you, I have a free market microstructure and trading systems resource to walk you through the foundations of market structure, the mechanics of trading market data, and analytics, everything from market structure and trading venues, other types of execution tool, liquidity, and market impact. Everything a serious market participant should know. And if you're interested in looking at markets from different angles, I have a free advanced market aggregation resource that will walk you through advanced price-based aggregation, volatility-driven aggregation, information theoretic aggregation, order flow microstructure aggregation, event-driven and hybrid methods, plus implementation and selection criteria so you can pick the most optimal aggregator for your specific use case. If you found that interesting, the links are in the description. Just sign up to be a free member and you have built all these resources all to yourself for free. Now, let's get into it. Chapter 9, Early Warning Signals, Critical Slowing Down. The theory of critical slowing down, CSD, predicts that as a dynamical system approaches a critical transition, i.e. a tipping point, its resilience decreases and the rate of recovery from perturbations slows. Reference 25 demonstrated that this phenomenon generates detectable early warning signals across diverse complex systems, including financial markets. The mathematical basis for critical slowing down, or CSD, is the eigenvalue structure of the Jacobian matrix at equilibrium. As the system approaches a bifurcation, the dominant eigenvalue lambda sub 1 approaches 0 from below, causing the autocorrelation at lag 1 to tend to 1 and the variance to tend to infinity, where sigma sub epsilon squared is the perturbation variance. And these indicators, rising autocorrelation and variance, serve as generic early warning signals of approaching transitions. In financial markets, critical transitions correspond to regime shifts. The transition from a bull market to a bear market, the collapse of a bubble, or the onset of a liquidity crisis. The application of CSD theory requires measuring these indicators in rolling windows and identifying significant upward trends as warning signals. Reference 11 and subsequent work of reference 13 combined CSD indicators with topological data analysis for enhanced predictive power. And you have a table over here, which is early warning indicators before major market crashes. As we can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Crash event, windows and days, delta of A of 1, delta of sigma squared, delta of skewness, and detection lead. Now, on the crash event of October 1987, essentially with a 6-day window, had a delta of A of 1 of plus 0.18 and a delta of sigma squared of plus 42%. And a delta of skewness of negative 0.35 and a detection lead of about 14 days, right? So essentially, the indicators were predicting that within 14 days, there should be a regime shift, right? March 2000, window length of about 90 days, delta of A of 1 of plus 0.22, a delta of sigma squared of plus 38%, delta of skewness of negative 0.41, and a detection lead of about 21 days. September 2008, a window size of about 120, delta of A of 1 of plus 0.03, delta of sigma squared of plus 67%, delta of skewness of negative 0.52, and a detection lead of 18 days. March 20 had a window of 45 days, delta of A of 1 of plus 0.25, a delta of sigma squared of plus 55%, delta of skewness of negative 0.44, and a detection lead of about 9 days. November 2021, crypto had a window of about 60 days, delta of A of 1 of plus 0.29, and a delta of sigma squared of plus 78%, and a delta skewness of negative 0.61, and a detection lead of 12 days. Right? Implementation framework. A practical early warning system combines multiple indicators. 1. Detrended variance in a rolling window. 2. Lag 1 autocorrelation trend. 3. Persistence landscape norm from topological data analysis, or TDA. And 4. Network centrality concentration from MST analysis. A composite z-score exceeding 2.5 triggers elevated alert status. Backtesting across 40 years of equity data shows that 73% precision and 68% recall for major drawdowns exceeding 15%. Now, what are the advantages of this type of correlation? Number one, generic across asset classes and timescales. Number two, model independent, requires minimal assumptions. Number three, provides quantitative lead time estimates. And number four, combinable with other signal sources. What are the limitations of this type of correlation? Number one, high false positive rate of type 1. Number two, window length selection is arbitrary. Number three, can fail for rapid hard transitions. Number four, difficult to distinguish from normal stochasticity. That's about it for today. If you found that interesting, hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate. And if you're interested in increasing your market intelligence, which if you're into trading or markets in capacity, you should be interested in increasing your market intelligence. If that sounds like you, I have a free market microstructure and trading systems resource that will walk you through the foundations of market structure, the mechanics of trading, market data, and analytics, everything from market structure and trading venues, all the types of execution to liquidity and market impact. Everything a serious market participant should know. Plus, if you're interested in looking at markets from different angles, I have a free advanced market aggregation resource that will work through advanced price-based aggregation, volatility-driven aggregation, information theoretic aggregation, order flow microstructure aggregation, event-driven and hybrid methods, plus implementation and selection criteria, so you can pick the most optimal aggregator for your specific use case. If you found it interesting, the links are in the description. Just sign up to be a free member, and you have both of these resources all to yourself for free. And if you enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate your support. And I'm out. Bye.